Arizona style Southwest beef jerky. A blend of cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano. This beef jerky is delicious and full of southwestern flavors. Let's go ahead and make the marinade. Got a fourth of a cup of what's this here sauce. Fourth of a cup of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Just regular paprika will work. Half a teaspoon of ground oregano. Lid on here. Next we've got 2 packages of bottom round, which is a very lean cut of meat as well. And I got it from Walmart. Just gonna open this up and start trimming the fat. It's a really thin cut of meat. It does have a lot of fat around the edges. Now we're going to cut this in half and cut it long ways. We'll just continue to do this until we get it all trimmed up and sliced into jerky slices. Alright, now that we've got all that made, we're going to go ahead and throw it in our vacuum marinade tumbler if you don't have one. Put it in a Ziploc bag and sit it in your refrigerator for a couple hours to overnight, somewhere in there. So marinate up a little bit better here. Pour it in. See what she smells like. Oh, that smells Southwesty. Smells Southwesty. You know what? I'm going to get all this ingredients in there. Take a little bit of the soy sauce I had left over in this one little bottle. Lid back on. Try to get all these flavors in this batch. So I got like 2 pounds of raw meat in here. Vacuum marinade tumbler going. Alright, this is done. Pulling a vacuum. Initial shake going. Like I always do. 15 minutes. This smells absolutely amazing. I'm not just saying that. This stuff smells awesome. And just think, we made this marinade from scratch. We should feel a whole lot better about this batch, right? Since we made everything except for slicing the meat ourselves. In this video, we're going to be using the Nesco FD80 dehydrator. If you'd like to get one because you like one and you want to help support the channel, there'll be a link in the video description along with to my Amazon store. You can go over there and check out all the things that I like to use when I make beef jerky. So these thin slice pieces will be done in 2 hours. Some of it in 2.5 hours, but I can probably pretty much guarantee you if you use this thin sliced meat, you'll have jerky within 3 hours of putting it on the dehydrator. I'm going to be using the Nesco made in the USA dishwasher safe dehydrator. I'm not getting paid to say that. I like this dehydrator. It's super quiet and it's got multiple controls of the temperature I can use right here. It's done. 2.5 hours. We should be 100% done. This has been sitting over here for a little while. See that? Hey, that's pretty dang good right there, man. That is pretty dang good right there. Look at that piece. I just want to keep chewing this. I love Southwest. Wow, that's amazing right there, guys and gals. I think you should really try this. Wow. Let's get the rest of these off here. Oh yeah. Oh, those are done. Arizona inspired Southwest beef jerky is done. Look at that. That's at least a little over 1/4 pound of jerky. That looks amazing. This is Arizona inspired Southwest beef jerky. This is number 2 of 50. Y'all keep tuning in every Thursday for a new one. Inspired state beef jerky. Small batch beef jerky. 1 batch at a time. Yeah.